Hello, everybody who's out there and wants to learn how to write an idea essay paragraph. All I want to do in this recording is just show the basics and modeling how to write a top-level idea paragraph about the poem Honda Waka by Robert Sullivan. I think the most important thing to know is that idea paragraphs are used for literary analysis. You'll use them in essay writing in year 10 and year 11. What I do want to say as well, though, is that idea paragraphs are a starter. Once you've mastered them, you need to use your own voice. The I is obviously the ideas from the text. Eventually, you'll be answering the essay question. The D is the describing the story of the text to help answer the essay question and support the ideas. The E is the evidence. Now for us that's going to be quotations from the text, but also techniques as well. The A is analysis. Now this is a bit of a tricky one. Essentially what it means is discussing how the text affects the reader, how it makes you think or feel. And then finally, the R is where we relate back to ideas. This could be linking the text to ideas beyond in the real world or truths about the human experience. All right, so this is how we write an idea paragraph about Honda Waka. We start off by saying, key idea in Honda Waka by Robert Sullivan is that all families value the connection they have with their whānau. This is an important Māori cultural value, and it is explored in the poem when he writes about visiting all the family events, like the tangi in Bluff, the birthday bash across the creek, and the birth of his daughter. An example of this from the poem that covers how important family is to the author and to everyone else, and to all of us as well, is when Sullivan writes, "That car has seen a high amount of my poetry, and now I have left it behind." This quotation means that the car has witnessed all the important family events. The car is almost a member of the family. It makes me feel as a reader, that the important family events are actually the poetry of my own life. This relates back to the main idea of the importance of family, because all of us, no matter whether we read the poem or not, will have some connection with our family that is explored in objects like the car the author writes about. This is an example of how to write a top-notch idea paragraph, and thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please ask me at any time. Thanks for watching.